I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me.
Hello, welcome to episode 6 of Indie Globetrotter. If you are new here, my name is AJ and this channel is for travel bugs and nature lovers. Today we venture into the valleys of Stehekin, right in the heart of North Cascades here in Washington. A place where no roads can take you. You get here by hopping onto a ferry from Chelan.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free.
As soon as you arrive here, you're awestruck by the beauty of the Cascades at the backdrop of deep turquoise waters of Lake Chelan. Stehekin is as remote as a town can get, with a population of less than 100 and almost no internet or phone services. It's your perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
To a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a...
We stayed at a lovely ranch right in the middle of the valley. You'll see it in a bit. But for now, let's hit the road.
The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young. And we will sleep by the ocean, our hearts will move with the tide, and we will wake in the morning.
The entirety of the town is a single-lane road stretching from the landing where you arrived to the high bridge uphill. We biked the entire path all day. With scorching heat due to the heat wave that recently hit Washington, the conditions were challenging indeed. But the canopy formed by the super tall trees here, along with the gorgeous views of the McGregor Mountains and the Stehekin River all along the way, made it totally worth it.
You know what I mean.
We finally made it back to the landing. The third deepest lake in the United States, Lake Chelan, got super deep right across the boardwalk. You may think with the heat wave, jumping in the water is what you would want to do all day long, which I did anyways. But just so you know, this was a challenge in itself. The glacial melt from the Cascades trickled down right into the lake, making the waters icy cold. But totally worth it.
Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me.
We will see the absolutely gorgeous Rainbow Falls, the local bakery, garden, and the school, the complete local experience. And of course, take a tour of our lovely ranch nestled right in the middle of the Stehekin Valley. All of that right after you do this. Folks, do you know it takes just 1 second to subscribe to a YouTube channel? So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I
A stay at the ranch is incomplete without a visit to the dining room. You will meet some of the sweetest people here and have some great conversations while enjoying the best food you probably would have had in your life. No kidding. Once you have a slice of any of their pies, you will sign up for traveling any amounts of time across the waters just to grab a piece of it.
was young, yeah, keep us young. And we will sleep by the ocean. Our hearts will move with the tide. And we will wake in the morning to see the sun paint the sky. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.
The school right here is listed in the National Register of Historic Places, enrolling students from kindergarten through grade 8. The school size this year is a grand total of 3.
You know what I mean. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.